Printing in SIS 2.0 is fairly simple, but there may be some configurations you have to do to your print screen for them to come up properly. So let me navigate to a consist so I can show you how to possibly print that consist. So I'll click I'll put in my serial, click navigate to go into the machine. Let me go into hydraulic system and I'll pick this lift cylinder group. Okay, so if I need to print from here, a couple things I can do. I can just print my picture, or I can print my consist. I can do print screen if you have that button. But let's say I just want a picture of the consist over here and the graphic. So you'll notice this little icon over here. This is the print icon. It's a piece of paper going through a printer. When I click on that, what it'll do is it'll open another tab. Now I'm in Google Chrome right now, so I'll show you what it looks like in Chrome. There's my picture. There's my consist. And you'll see a little watermark in the background. That's normal. So when I'm in my picture, just right click anywhere on your mouse and you'll see a print option. Now again, I'm in Google Chrome right now, so this is what it's going to look like in Chrome, and I'll show you what it'll look like in Edge, Microsoft Edge, if you're using that as your browser. So after it's done loading up, after your preview's done loading up, you'll have your print screen here. So as a default, the way it comes up is it'll just be a blank screen and you won't see anything really. So make sure in Chrome that you have under options, you have headers and footers checked off and you have background graphics checked off. If you don't have those checked off, you won't see anything on your preview screen, and then when you print it, nothing will come up. It won't show you the graphic and it won't show you the consist. So just make sure those two are checked off. Pick the printer, the correct destination for your printer, and go ahead and print it. It's very similar if you're using Edge. Microsoft Edge is your browser. So if you right click anywhere, or I'm sorry, if you hit the print icon over to your right, and there it's going to come up with your preview screen. Right click anywhere in here, click print. And in this case, those two checkboxes, they don't jump right out at you on your print screen. You're going to have to click more settings and then make sure under options your headers and footers is checked off and your background graphics is checked off. You're not going to have to do that every time. Pretty much once you've done it once, it should default to those being checked off going forward. If you ever clear your browser history as a security measure and clear your cache in your web browser, it may uncheck those as a default. So if you do that next time you go into SIS and you go to print something, just make sure you dive in and find those two checkboxes. Make sure they're checked off so that you can print out an actual graphic and an actual consist.